Hello, my people. Have you been wondering how you can make your own Milo powder? Worry no more. I brought you the recipe. All you needed is only few ingredients. Here, I'm using my cocoa powder, pure cocoa powder, icing sugar or powdered sugar, and powdered milk. And I'll also add vanilla flavor powder. And I'll be mixing everything to well combine. This is very easy recipe. You can make it on your own. If you can make it, why do you need to buy? At least you're sure of what is inside. There is no nonsense inside. You are sure of what you are taking in. Okay? Here I'll be baking it for 10 minutes. So I'll put it in oven and let it bake or roast, whichever, for 10 minutes. So if today is your first time you're seeing my video, you are highly welcome and thank you for coming by. And for my returning subscribers and followers, thank you so much for always tagging along with me. You can see this is after 10 minutes. It's well baked. And now I'll be canning it into my storage container. It tastes so good. The aroma is unimaginable. So I'll be storing it inside this container. So if you're seeing my video for the first time, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel at GLAATORY and follow my page on Facebook and Instagram on GLAATORY Flavors. Always like my video, like it, comment, and please share so that others can see my video. So it's important you can make it on your own. That's one question I always ask people. If you can make it, why do you need to buy? At least, if not for anything, you're sure of what you are putting inside your body. Yeah, see, I got this. I'll be listing all the measurement of the ingredient that I use on my description. Please make sure you check it out. Here I'll be trying it out. So at this point, you might add sugar if you need more sugar, but I guess I don't need more sugar because I added sugar when I was making it. The aroma is everywhere. It smells so good. Wow. Tastes so good. Hope you get to try this recipe. Thank you again for watching and I hope to see you again on my next video. Bye.